Protein salad is interesting idea. I have found it on YouTube. Ingredients that I need to take: ananas. It's possible to take canned or fresh. It's juice product, fresh product. Interesting idea to take it. Mushrooms. Mushrooms is a natural. I picked them in the wood. 5 boiled eggs and boiled chicken breast. I boiled it with paper and laurel leaf. One more idea is to add mayonnaise. No one wants to eat it, but I decided to take it and spread it between layers. Another item is bowl. Deep bowl. It's better to take deep bowl because it's more easy form layers in such kind of item. So it's ceramic and very good for keeping layers. 5 eggs. It's first layer, and I need to cut it and chop it because I think chopped eggs is better to eat and it's better as a first layer. So now I chop it, and then it is dry product. I add mayonnaise and spread it over it because I think it adds it adds some taste, some interesting idea to for a combination of eggs and other products and mayonnaise. That's my idea. So I did it. Of course, it's possible to avoid this mayonnaise. I decided to use the easiest way. Second layer, mushrooms layer. I take mushrooms and put them on the eggs layer. Mushrooms are very oily with light taste of ginger. Without vinegar, I don't use it. I think vinegar is worse than mayonnaise. And these mushrooms are natural. I picked them in the forest. So that would be perfect combination. And again, I spread mayonnaise on it. So just a little bit, add some flavor and other taste. Thin layer doesn't harm a lot. It's good for those who works hard in the gym to powerlifting. And another layer is chicken breast. Chicken breast is really dry product, and the previous layer helps to moisturize this salad. I chop chicken to small pieces, and it's easier to eat, it's easier to chew, and it's easier to form the salad, the next layer over mushrooms layer. So that is ready. I tried to do the best, and now I take it and I take them and form the next layer. That's ready. And of course, the next part is spread mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is not so bad and it's not the worst ingredient in this salad. Salad is really full of protein and for sport people, for men who work hard. The next layer, again, mushrooms. Mushrooms, as I said before, they're natural, they're tasty, they're very soft and really tasty product. Again, the last mayonnaise layer, and the really again soft and thin layer, so it doesn't harm. So I decided to spread over it, and that's the result. And the last point, the last ingredient, ananas. Ananas is possible. It is possible to use canned or fresh ananas. It's sweet, it's tasty, and it gives interesting taste to this salad. I liked it very much. It's interesting and it doesn't harm to my body shape. So taste it, write comments, subscribe. If you like or you don't like, show it, thumb up, and subscribe to my videos, to my works. Bye bye.